and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck.
Leo.
Leo the Truck. Excavator Scoop has invited all of his friends over and made them their favorite treats. Chocolate cookies, fruit, and pies.
This is delicious. Thank you, Scoop.
Oh, the robot's covered in crumbs. There are crumbs on the table, too. And some dirty dishes.
Thank you. I've got to go. I've got stuff to do.
We should help Scoop deal with the dishes.
That's right, Lifty. Robots.
That won't do. We've got to wash the dishes.
The robots are piling up the dishes in the sink. Scoop's brought a big bucket full.
I'll be washing this pile of dishes till evening.
Then let's try and make a dishwasher.
Hey! Let's get some parts!
Robot, everyone's getting parts. Leo's brought a big, heavy tub for the dishwasher. The other parts are here too. The robots are carrying the table back to Scoop's. Time to start building the dishwasher. Let's put a valve in the tub so water can get into the machine. Water will come out of the spray arms. These are the things with small orange holes below and above. What a good job, robots! The table's in place. The purple robot doesn't know where to put the dishwasher. Let's look for a place it can go. It should be built in. And replace some of the drawers in the kitchen. Oh, careful, please. It can't go there. How's the assembly going? A control panel. Racks for dishes. A container for spoons and forks. A door. And this is where special tablets or gel goes so dishes come out clean.
Where should we put it?
The robots have found a place. Perfect.
Now let's load up the dishes.
Plates, glasses. Robot, those are ceramic. You shouldn't play with them. All the dishes have been loaded in the dishwasher.
Aww.
It's not working.
You forgot the tablets.
That's right. Where are they?
Scoop's looking for tablets for the dishwasher. Are there none here? Be careful with that cupboard, Scoop. Someone put too many dishes in there. The tablets are here.
Found them.
You have to take one tablet. Press the button and close the door. It's starting.
That's perfect. Now let's go play.
The dishwasher will keep on working, but when Scoop comes home, all the dishes will be clean and dry.
I'm coming too.
Didn't you have stuff to do?
I've done enough today. Here's the bow.
Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck. This is the airport. And that's the red robot who's gotten in the helicopter and is about to take off. The propellers are spinning. Lift off. The helicopter is now very high in the sky. From above, the airport buildings seem so small. And here are the other robots. Hello there. What are you planning to do? Ah, I see. You're having a race. Both robots want to win. Go! Hello, Scoop.
Huh? Hey guys, incoming!
Scoop also wants to take part in the race. Look at him go. He's chasing after the cars.
Vroom! Catch up!
Robots, cars, it's time for the helicopter to land. You're having a race where it took off.
Whoa.
What's wrong there?
He can't land, Lifty. Scoop, robots, look up, please. We need to make room for him.
Is the helicopter meant to land there?
Oh, that wouldn't be easy.
We've got to build a new helipad right away.
Hold tight, Red Robot. Everything will be ready soon. We'll build it here. Scoop's preparing a spot for the foundation.
And I'll bring some parts.
You can unload that, Leo. Let's place a circular platform on the foundation. And a ramp. Some red edges. A yellow frame for lamps and lights. Metal railings. An arch for the signal lights. And the signal lights themselves. These lamps are for the pilot to know where to land. Oh! There are 6 lamps altogether. A windsock. Hello, Lea.
Hello. What are you making here?
It's a helipad, Lea.
You're missing something. Everything looks good to me.
The helicopter's coming down.
The landing sign.
Wait, robots. We need some paint. The trucks have blue, yellow, green, red, and white.
We need yellow and white. There. Just a bit more. All done.
The cars have drawn the letter H on the helipad. The word helicopter begins with the letter H.
Stop!
Robots, the light's red. You can't go onto the platform until the helicopter's propellers have stopped spinning. The propellers have stopped. The light's gone green. Are you okay, Red Robot? You are our hero. Do you want to have a race? That's a no. Everyone is very pleased. Now, helicopters have somewhere to land.
What a helipad!
Yeah.
We needed one.
And it looks really good.
The robots are busy racing again. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Lea, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck. It's summer. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Leo and Lifty are going down the road. Oh, Lifty seems tired.
It's hot.
Then let's go a bit quicker.
Quicker?
Oh, if you go quicker,
Woohoo!
you'll get even hotter. The friends have reached Scoop's house. Hello, Scoop.
Hello.
Can we also have some ice cream, please?
Of course, Scoop is very kind. He always shares with his friends.
Oh? It's all gone now.
Oh. Huh?
Look, the robots are splashing each other with water.
Huh?
Splash me! Splash me! And what if we made a water coaster?
What?
What?
Like a roller coaster, but with water.
A brilliant idea. You'd go down the ramp and land right in water.
Where off to now?
We're building a water coaster.
The cars are taking the parts to build the water coaster to the amusement park.
Woohoo! Done! I was first!
Not true.
Huh?
Here are all the parts for the water coaster.
Let's build it then.
But first, we need to remove the rails.
The robots really want to help too. It's quite difficult. Try it again. Has the purple robot really managed to do it? Oh! It's the red robot lifting the rails with the crane. Well done! Scoop is digging a ditch. They need to place the parts for the pool into the ditch. All done. Lea's putting together the parts for the track. These are the arches the rafts will come through. A lever. And a valve to control the water supply.
Robot, turn on the water.
Hooray! It worked! The pool is filling with water. The robots have already taken their seats in the carts.
This is a water coaster.
Those carts won't do. The cars have decided to put together some rafts. They've gone to the junkyard to find the parts they need. Scoop, what's that? Oh, careful, robots. Let's see what we can use. Scoops found a wooden board. The robots found a plane. Lifty's found some seats. And that's the raft. It looks great.
The pool is all filled up now.
We're switching the carts for rafts.
Hey, wait for me! I'm going first. Everyone strapped in?
Not everyone.
Robot!
Go! Lifty, are you not going in?
No, I don't want to get wet.
The rafts are going up the ramp. And quickly going down again. A loop-the-loop. And another. And the pool.
Oh?
I guess it's not so hot now. Can we go together? Okay, let's go.
The robot is starting the ride. The cars are setting off. wonderful water coaster they've made. Lifty and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck. Leo. Leo the Truck. This is the airport. The red plane is preparing for takeoff. It's heading off for the runway.
Attention, red plane! You're free to take off!
It's picking up speed. And it's taking off. Leo the Truck loves to watch airplanes. Hello, Leo.
Oh? Whoa!
The robots are playing with a pinwheel.
Whoa? Hey now.
Hello, Leia.
Hey! What are you all flying about for? Flying off somewhere sounds like a nice idea.
Everyone likes that idea. Where are you going to fly?
Well, what about an island with seashells? They're so shiny!
Everyone's already rushing to the plane.
There is no point in rushing.
Why's that?
But there isn't a landing strip on the island. The airplane won't be able to land there.
Then we'll build a seaplane.
Hooray!
The seaplane doesn't need a landing strip. It can land right in the water. The robots really want to fly to the island. Look, they're carrying parts for the seaplane to help the cars. Leo is unloading his body. And Leia hers. The robots have brought the motors. There are lots of parts.
Where do we start?
Here's the control panel, the steering wheels, the pilot seats, the upper part of the fuselage, the windscreen for the pilot's cabin, the wings, the tail, and the turbine engines. And the floats, so it stays on top of the water. The doors. All the parts are in place.
How will it take off without water?
This is how!
This is the plane's landing gear. The plane's wheels.
Hooray!
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 Who's going to be the pilot? Stand still. Let's see now. Ip, dip, do. I choose you. The red robot's the pilot.
But he still can't take off.
What's the matter?
We've forgotten the propellers.
What? The propellers! The propellers! Oh? Yes! They're like pinwheels.
Leo and Leia are going to look for propeller parts in the hangar.
We need 2 propellers. Huh?
Leia, are you taking these?
Mm-mm.
No? What about these ones?
Leia, these will do.
Brilliant! Leo's carrying one propeller and Leia the other.
Can't catch me!
What?
The propellers are in place. Time for everyone to get on board. The engines have started. The doors are closed. The seaplane is picking up speed and taking off. Its wheels have been tucked away inside. The cars are flying to the seashell island. Hooray! The seaplanes landed on the water.
It's beautiful!
The purple robot has decided to make a sandcastle. Lea can hear the sea in the shell. Leo has made a plane out of sand. Scoop and Lifty have built an entire castle. How wonderful that the cars managed to build a seaplane and were able to fly to the island together.